In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of folder in Google Drive. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, the one that currently owns the folder. Transferring ownership moves control of the folder to someone else, which can be helpful when you're handing off a project or wrapping up a role. Keep in mind that availability of this option can depend on your account type and your organization's settings. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the top right corner of the page, click the grid icon, the app launcher that shows all Google apps. From there, choose Drive to open Google Drive. Once Drive loads, go to My Drive so you can see your folders. Find the folder you want to transfer. Hover over it, then click the three dots to open the More Actions menu. Move your cursor to Share, and then click Share to open the sharing window. This is where you manage access and, in this case, transfer ownership. In the sharing window, look for the person you want to become the new owner. Next to their name, you'll see a role drop down. Typically, it shows Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Click that drop down. If your account and admin settings allow it, you'll see an option to transfer ownership. Select that. This changes their role to pending owner and prepares the handoff. You'll now be prompted to confirm. Click Send Invitation to notify the person. In many cases, the transfer takes effect once they accept, and until then, you remain the owner. After they accept, your access usually changes to Editor, which means you can still work with the folder but won't control ownership-related settings. Be aware that certain contents or permissions might not carry over exactly the way you expect, especially if there are files owned by other people, or if your organization has restrictions. If you don't see the transfer ownership option, it may be because the feature is limited by your account type, the folder is shared across different domains that don't allow ownership changes, or the person doesn't have the required access level. In those cases, check with your administrator or confirm that the recipient is properly added with access to the folder. That's it. You've initiated the transfer by sending the invitation. Once it's accepted, the folder's ownership will move to the new person, and they'll manage its settings going forward. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you want to review the clicks and prompts as you go.